Hey guys, me here again. So actually I decided to shoot this video out of any expectation. Actually yesterday, last night and today I was like focusing more on my self-development and self-awareness. Yeah, I found out that I'm someone who really burn out very easily, and I can't really know what should I pursue and what should I give up. And a few days ago I just found the word essentialism. Yeah, because nowadays I think most of the people may heard about minimalism and the word the essentialism. They are quite related to each other, but I don't think most of us know what is essentialism. I'm quite interested in this word because I think this is the most important thing for the current me to learn how to give up something and how to pick those which I really interested in and I should focus at. Yeah. So this morning I just spent some time on personality test. According to the report, I'm the advocate. Yeah, and it states also this type of the personality is really rare in this world and only occupies 1% of the population. Yeah, I really like a bit shocked about this test. I just go through the result briefly. Yeah, I didn't read through it. Yes, and so I was just watching to one of my favorite YouTuber recently. Yeah, which is the Bliss. Yeah, I really encourage you guys to watch her videos because she's more sharing about the self-improvement, self-development, self-awareness, and I think she's like really good because I feel like she doesn't really care about what people think, and she has her own thoughts and mindset, and she knows what really suits her and what doesn't suit her. I feel like it really close to my actual characteristic also. It also states like I crave for the creativity and imagination. Yeah, and I'm kind of perfectionistic. Yeah, because I want to achieve something that normal people might not think of, something about daydreaming maybe. So I also found out my strengths and weaknesses, about my personality, and also my characteristic from many aspects, like for relationships, friendships, and parenthood, and the career path, all that. Yeah, I will be introducing you guys to go for this personality test also because it is totally free, and also I think it's really important for us to know the true self and to find out our strength and weakness since they are free. Yeah, so you can just take them as a reference, so can make you battle in your self-awareness. Yeah.
been dancing for so long under the stars. I feel that the grass will